I can hear the purple calling. I can hear the Perkyy calling. I can hear the purple calling. I can hear the Zanny calling.
What's the deal, Perkyy? Y'all know me, I'm Perkyy, and I'm back at it again with another mukbang video. I have this video called Mukbangers Consuming Hot Cheetos. Now, I personally have a love-dislike, because I don't hate, relationship with hot Cheetos. Hot Cheetos are great. They taste good. Sometimes I'm craving them, but I know that that after effect is not too pleasant, if you know what I'm talking about. But I want to say that if this is your first time seeing me on your screen, please make sure to hit that like button. Or if you're a returning subscriber, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, because there's nothing but lit content like this on a consistent basis. Ask my subscribers, they know. And speaking of subscribers, I want to say thank you to each and every one of you. That's if you like the video, if you comment on the video, if you subscribe, you have your post notification bell on. Whatever you do to make this channel grow, I am thanking you. You, the one watching this video right now, you, not you. You feel me? Thank you. But we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. Who's ready for my facial expressions? Hot Cheetos. Oh God, it's my favorite. I've never tried hot Cheetos and mac and...
Wow. Wow. So it's warming up, the nacho cheese. I mean, the carpet's red now. My mom will go with my ass. Cheese, are you done yet? Bitch, no. Oh my God.
What's going on? Oh, he was wanting to cheat. That honestly looks good.
It's gonna burn through the paper. Oh, that will put here.
No sound effects.
So if you're just asking what kind of cheese I use the Tostitos smooth and cheesy dip.
Yes.
Wow, Takis and nacho cheese isn't that bad.
Thank you. Today, we are going to be eating the biggest shrimp I've ever seen anywhere.
Them edits.
Hello. Also, I have some fried pickles.
Wow, she made a whole new creation. That might be what I gotta try. It low-key look good.
The only bad thing is one of the shrimps like curled up, so like you see how it's like poking out. But there's that part.
Why are you bullying me?
Okay.
The sound effect.
Sweet cheese. Hey, my little lover. I am back with another mukbang.
Oh, sorry. Wrong house.
What in the world?
My bad, y'all.
Oh God. Honestly, that don't even look good. Like, she knows it's not. That's why she didn't finish it. Look. She knew it wasn't good. So we're just gonna sit here and like not talk. All right. Her nails look like foil, like aluminum foil. That don't look good. Oh, he gave that to her? Oh,
How are you?
I'm gonna tell y'all, I don't know how to do this flaming hot Cheeto stuff. So what we gonna do is
I've never seen.
I'm gonna dip that in there like that butter layer right there, and then just to get it wet, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna dip it in this other stuff.
The hot Cheeto, girl.
It's not bad, but
It ain't good.
it's not something I do.
Oh, and look what I have here. Some ranch.
Oh, great.
Cold ranch.
I'm a stone cold bitch.
Oh, Let's do this one. Looks really crunchy.
What is that? Is that a hash brown?
This is by far my favorite though.
Sad face.
Yay! Don't try this at home, kids.
I would never shake his hand.
So good.
He'd have dabbed me up like that.
It's wide open.
Yeah. No. I'm good. That was Mukbangers consuming hot Cheetos. Honestly, I'm not a hot Cheetos fan. I could eat a couple and then I'm satisfied. Like, I don't need to make hot Cheeto freaking cereal and hot Cheeto salad and hot Cheeto ice cream. You know what I'm saying? I don't need all that. Hot Cheetos with cheese? Yeah, it's pretty good. Hot Cheetos on pizza? Tried it. It's alright. I don't really need to mix it, but then again, that's me. Do you guys eat? Would you guys eat some of the stuff that they, I guess, made or created or invented? Let me know in the comment section down below. But thank you guys. I love and appreciate each and every one of you guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you want to see next in the comment section down below. All my social media is in the description. It's also right here as well, just in case you missed that. 100,000 is on the way, and we are hitting that before the month of May of this year. Y'all think I'm playing. Manifestation queen, period. But y'all know when I start touching my face, y'all know what I'm about to say. Have a blessed one, and see y'all in the next one. Your girl is out.